Well, tell me about your pickup and delivery operation. Can you describe it for me?
Sure. Like, where would you like to start with it? I'll put that question back on you a little bit.
Give me the basics. Give me how many vehicles do you have on the road, your drivers,
Sure.
and then let's get into a little bit about route development. I think that would be fun.
Mm-hmm. So we've got 3 vehicles on the road 5 days a week. Got trying to think. Right now we've got 4. In the summers we usually have 5. So we've got kind of like 2 full-time and a few part-time drivers to kind of fill in. With the 3 vehicles on the road, we have pretty big geography that we cover. Our furthest distance is about 30 miles from our store, but they're one of our biggest customers. So we're happy to do that, especially in the summer. They do a vacation rental stuff, Airbnb things. So of those drivers, they're usually running pretty big laps too around the city. It's 80 to 90 miles in a route per day.
Yeah. Okay.
And then for us, commercial customers are all over the board. So we can do a cadence of once a day, once a week, once every 2 weeks. Our software really helps with that. But our residential, we pick up on Mondays, return on Wednesdays, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. So.
Okay. All right. Well, how have you tweaked your routes over the years? I mean, I imagine, is that a constant thing, or have you been pretty set in your routes of late? How does that work?
So for us, I started the delivery side of the business. I had 1 or 2 kind of what I considered at the time sizable commercial customers. And we would, load a van and take things directly to them. So there wasn't much of a route. So to kind of fill in for the costs of that vehicle, we started dry cleaning and pickup and delivery, which we outsourced to a friend of mine that owns a dry cleaner. And back then, before kind of the apps that we have today, and this was 13 years ago, we did more of a route where you would just drive by all the houses and see if they had something to pick up. Okay. And we're nowhere near that today. Like, right. We're when we drive our routes, which we make, sort of in a circle or kind of an out and a back, whatever's easiest for that geography. We know through our software that whether we've got to pick up from that person or not, they either opt in or they have one set up every week. So that makes it a little different.
Right.